Got to get it, Papa. Well, here I am, and this is a place I've been to before, and I'll put where the episode is somewhere down there, because I stopped by here, but I stopped too early and it wasn't ready yet. So, you know, we all make our mistakes, right? Some of us make more than others. Yes, some of us make a lot. Some make them every day. Anyway, but yeah, so here I am. I came back because today is a very special, exciting day. Almost as exciting as the Look Dat Christmas. Look Dat. I'm gonna have to get a new show. The Look Dat Christmas special. That was a pretty special deal. But this is specialer too. And so so hang on, we're gonna go see, because there's something giant over here and I'm all excited about that anyway. And yeah, Look Dat. Yep, Look Dat. That's a big giant can of Tony's Chachere seasoning, and its stuff is delicious. And not only that, but this is the big excitement. Look Dat! The country store is officially open now, and they're having a grand celebration and all kind of stuff. And there's look over there. I'm wandering around the parking lot right now, trying not to get hit. But yeah, Look Dat. There's the Tony Chachere mobile. It's got all kind of food they have and stuff like that. And there's a tent out in front. And that's the place we went to before, but they weren't quite ready yet. I got to look around a little bit, but we couldn't do a exciting Look Dat episode yet, so I just held off, and now here I am. But I'm gonna go see what else is going on, see what we can see this time besides the giant can of seasoning. Yeah, well, I'm a little bit concerned because I thought this would be an exciting Look Dat exclusive, but of course I was wrong. But it turns out it's a multimedia experience, and there's lots of camera people and TV people here. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna try to get inside there at some point because they have all kind of stuff in there. But hang on and we'll see what happens. Yeah, let's see. We're gonna go on in, see what happens. See, some of this. No, it won't look familiar because we didn't get to look at it. But look all that. They got some crawfish. And lots of goodies to be had by one and all, including some they got some gumbo bowls. And some cool metal signs. It's kind of hard to see. We'll get a good look at that in a minute. And some fancy spoons. Look at these. These are too colorful to use. I'd be afraid to mess that up, me. And look, even pencils and stuff. And notepads. Lots of hats. Got a whole selection of hats. All your favorite colors and styles. So you can wear that. Yeah, look, there you go. And look, they got some of these good spoons. And some the oyster things. Look at all that. You got some spoon rests to rest your spoons on, or your forks or knives or whatever you got. All kind of good stuff. And look at these. I like these. And then you got some Santa Claus and some Christmas stuff going on in there. And a pot grabbing thing. That's what we call them, pot grabbers. So you can grab that. and cookbooks. Oh, and look in here. That's a genuine Tony Chachere stuffed doll. That's pretty cool. And look at this. All kinds of the Tony's products. Cooking products, seasonings, all the good stuff. In regular sizes and then big sizes. Big jumbo sizes. And you've got some gumbo filet. That's called filet, not file. Some people don't know how to say it. They say file. This is like little baby size. You keep that in your pocket when you go on a trip, and you know you just have just enough for your meal when you're riding around or something, eating boudin and stuff like that. Oh, and that's some heavy duty sizes. And they got the injectable kind. They got some pepper oil, and that's Cajun powder. That's a good kind too. That's real good stuff. And look, dressing. I bet y'all didn't know they had dressing, huh? French style. And all kinds of mixes for coatings. Gumbo base, Alfredo, you name it. And look, you can get your big crawfish sack full of good stuff. It's like one of Pappy's friends. Let's see. Oh yeah, got the pink tail. But yeah, it's busy in here. All kind of stuff going on. You see all the Christmas stuff too. And there he is. He's inducted into the Louisiana Chefs Hall of Fame way back in 1995. Well, it sure was fun in there. And I did some shopping, some Christmas shopping, so I can't show anybody what it is. But it's in the official bag. And they do have a little tour thing. They got a film that talks about the Tony Chachere's brand and everything, and how he got started way back in the day. And there's a little like tunnel, a little viewing area with all these windows, and you can see into the factory in there, where that part they're not making the seasoning, but they're packaging it. So it's cool. It's all these machines, and they flipping boxes around and flipping cans of seasoning all over the place, and they fly all into these little containers, and they pop out and they wrap that and they box that and they ship that. so all that goes on in there, all in the back part, back in this part right here. But it's pretty cool. So if you ever get a chance to come by here, it's a fun little place to visit. Tony's seasoning's been around for a long time, and I use it all the time. And oh wait, and look that. Oh, I got a double one. Look that. It's a little sample seasoning. I can keep that in my pocket for all my snacking needs, and I'll surely do that. So anyway, that was fun. Check back soon for more Look Dat.